What are animals? Animals are the living things. Do you remember from my first video what are living things? Yeah, they eat food, they move, they breathe oxygen, they have babies. Yep, good job. What do animals need? They need food, water, oxygen to breathe, and a safe place to live, which is called a shelter, a home. Do we need all these things too? Yeah, we do. Good job. This is the general classification of animals. Let's see each one in detail. Invertebrates, which does not have a backbone, no backbone. So what are the invertebrates? Insects and snails. So insects. Insects are tiny creatures with 6 legs and a segmented body. Examples: ants, butterflies, bees, beetles, and many more. Have you seen these in your garden? Yeah, these are called snails. They are invertebrates too, which means they have no backbone. These are slow-moving animals. They have very soft body and they carry a spiral shell on their back for their protection. Examples: garden snails, sea snails, freshwater snails. Next classification is vertebrates, which means they have the backbone. The first classification of vertebrates is fish. They live in water, breathe with their gills, and usually they have scales and fins. Examples: goldfish, shark, salmon, and much more. The next classification of vertebrates are amphibians. They are the special animals that live part of their lives in water and part on land. Examples: frogs, salamanders, and newts. The next classification of vertebrates are reptiles. These are the cold-blooded animals with scales or bony plates like snakes or turtles that love to, bask in the sun. Examples: snakes, lizards, crocodiles, turtles. The next classification of vertebrates are birds. These are the only animals with feathers. They have wings and usually fly, and they lay eggs in the nest. Examples: sparrows, eagles, chickens. And the last classification of vertebrates are mammals. They are the warm-blooded animals that have hair or fur. They breathe the air and mothers feed milk to the babies. Examples: dogs, humans, elephants, whales. Did I just say humans? Yeah, we humans are mammals. We are vertebrates because we have backbone, and we are mammals. Let's play mammals. Let's quickly recap. What are mammals? They are warm-blooded, means they will stay warm even if it's cold outside. So they are warm-blooded. They have hair or fur, and they feed milk for their babies. Okay, so pause the video, find your answers, and then play the video. Okay? Did you get your answers right? Let's check. So there are 3 mammals here. One is pig, another one is kangaroo, and the other one is cow. Did you get it right? The snail is an invertebrate, and shark is a fish technically. A hen is a bird. So these 3 are the mammals. Did you get it right? Let's play reptiles. Let's quickly recap. What are reptiles? They are cold-blooded animals with scales or bony plates, and they love to bask in sun. Cold-blooded means they rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. They don't maintain a constant internal temperature. So they bask in sun to warm up, and they seek shade or burrow to cool down. Okay, so let's find reptiles here. So pause the video, and then play the video once you're ready with your answer. The answers are crocodile or the alligator, lizard, turtle, and snake. Cat is a mammal, polar bear is a mammal, and flamingo is a bird. Did you get your answers right? Let's play vertebrates. Remember the 5 classifications: mammals, reptiles, birds, fish, and amphibians? So, mammals are warm blooded. They feed their babies with the milk and they have hair or fur. So, can we figure out what are the mammals here? Is it dog? Is it chameleon? Is it zebra? Yeah, it's dog and zebra. Chameleon is a reptile. Now, in this, let's figure out what are reptiles here. Is it panda? Is it cobra? Is it alligator? The answers are cobra and alligator. These are the reptiles here. And panda is a mammal. Let's try birds. Options are crane, eagle, turtle. What can fly? Crane and eagle. And what about turtle? Turtle cannot fly and it's a reptile. Good. Next, let's try fish here. Options are salmon, flamingo, tuna. We know flamingo has fur and it can fly. So how about, tuna and salmon. Flamingo is a bird. Let's try amphibians in the last one. The options are salamander, toad, pelican. We know pelican is a bird. So it's toad and salamander.